He flew away. Oh, he's heartbroken.
Somebody just posted that on the Brooklyn Bridge, somebody took down the American flag, put up 2 large white flags.
Yeah, I heard that.
I heard that. What does that mean?
I don't know. Well, white flag is surrender.
Oh.
So the NYPD is responding.
That happened yesterday.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, I get like news alerts, you know?
Oh my God, he's making her move.
He's like, get out, bitch.
Wait, and she did move.
Maybe she was just stunned. Maybe she's not.
Oh, yeah, maybe she was just unconscious.
He's like, bitch, wake up.
Yeah? Come on.
I hope so.
She was knocked the frick out. No, I can't imagine.
Probably not swearing.
I'm pretty sure he is. He's pretty panicked, Virginia. Okay?
I hope he gets her up. I hope she just basically is just, shocked or whatever. That is so sad.
I think we need to do something with these windows.
I agree. But what can we do?
The male is so sad. He's trying to wake her up. Can we put ribbons on the fucking windows or something? Oh no, she hit the. Yeah, she hit the window, and now he's trying to wake her up. Look at him.
Oh,
I know.
she's okay. She's just stunned. She moved.
I know she did move a little bit.
She's alive.
She's stunned. Yeah, I don't. She hit pretty hard. It was. Oh, he's so sad.